My name is Matt Allen. I'm with Roanoke City Fire-EMS. I'm a firefighter paramedic here at Station 2. We're going to be talking about some carbon monoxide detectors and some household safety tips. So carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas. You can't smell it, you can't see it. One way that we combat it here in the firehouse is we have a Niederman system that draws the exhaust from vehicles as they're running. Something that you might also see in your house is faulty fireplaces, faulty furnaces, and as well as generators. Want to knock down your risk? Install a carbon monoxide detector on every level of your home, especially near the bedrooms. If you live in the city of Roanoke and you don't have a carbon monoxide alarm, please call us at 540-853-5785. We have a limited supply. We are more than happy to come and help you install them. Another common call that we run are household poisonings. They can come from bleach and pneumonia or drain cleaners, and they can also come from medications, whether they're prescription or over the counter. Make sure we always keep medications or household chemicals either up high out of reach of children or in a locked cabinet. Some ways of preventing child exposure are using child restraint caps on medications and cleaners, and teaching children not to touch or taste unknown substances. Never store them in food or drink containers, and always read and follow product labels and safety instructions. All right, so what do we do if a child ingests the poison? First tip's gonna be stay calm. It's gonna be hard because it's your child. Next thing is check that they have any symptoms. Trouble breathing, dizziness, nausea. If they do, call poison control. Their number is 1-800-222-1222. Child's unconscious, having a seizure, or is having trouble breathing, make sure you call 911 immediately. We'll come and we'll assess the situation and figure out what we need to do best. All right, so just wrapping up, remember, install and maintain your CO detectors properly, making sure that we're keeping everything out of child's reach, and then knowing the signs and symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning, and together we can knock down the risk.